So she has provided quick accountability here. When we were walking, I was interrogating her. You in Parliament, you waste a lot of time. Parliamentary committee, for what? Me, my committee just does work in a very short time. So I'm really very happy.
I want to thank you for coming to operationalize our dream. And this is an achievement to the people of Teso, Karamoja, Bugisu, Bugwere, Lango, everywhere.
They are not mistake makers. They are not learners who need advice. They are outright traitors. First of all, they are working for foreigners. But moreover, working for bad type of foreigners. Homosexuals. The imperialists who want Uganda, Africa to be a slave again. I am therefore monitoring I'm monitoring through the intelligence services all that what has been going. How can you talk so much on the social media about Anita Mong? How about the ones who are working for foreigners?
You are the only person who is there for me. You are the only person who knows me as an asset. And I will never disappoint you.